Wednesday, March the 9th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here along with you on the Weather on the Ones Forecast Center. What a great day yesterday. More fantastic weather on the way for today. And I'll talk about, again, a big storm system over the plains. I'll also look at some long-range thoughts here as we go through the rest of the month of March. Boy, but look at those highs yesterday. What a fantastic day. 75 the high in Charlotte. It was 78 in Columbia and Raleigh, 77 in Greensboro. Even Boone at 70 yesterday. Mid and upper 70s around the Triad viewing area, Charlotte viewing region, same basic idea. Gorgeous. And it's even going to be, I think, a tick or two warmer this afternoon. I'll show you highs in just a second. Look at these current temperatures. It's 50 in Asheville and Columbia, 54 in Charlotte, 50s up and down the Carolina coast this morning. Really a very nice Wednesday weather setup. Carolinas are quiet. You go west of us, and there's a lot of messy weather anywhere from parts of the Mississippi Valley and the Delta region of western Mississippi back to Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas. A lot of flood warnings up. That's those green outlined areas you see. And over the past 48 hours, you've already had 5 to 10 inches of rain in parts of northeast Texas, Arkansas, northern Louisiana, southeastern Oklahoma. And watch this. This is the high-resolution modeling just through the day today. A lot of rain and thunderstorm activity continuing to pile into many of those same areas. So again, this is just through the daylight hours. You're looking at another 3, 4, 5 plus inches of rain, even more in some spots, as a very, very wet day unfolds. Severe weather. Your slight risk extends through southeastern Texas and Louisiana. Only a very slight eastward adjustment of the greater severe weather probabilities tomorrow, down through the mouth of the Mississippi River and up into southeastern Arkansas. Now, while all that's happening west of us, boy, what just a quiet, warm weather setup here across the Carolinas. I think tonight we will see some areas of fog form with time, but altogether a great weather forecast. Here's your highs today. 80, Fayetteville and Columbia, 77 in Charlotte, could hit 80 around Raleigh, and some parts of the Triad viewing area might even hit 82. Same story with the eastern side of the Charlotte metro, over toward Anson and Richmond counties. 50s for low temperatures tonight. So we start off with some fog and clouds tomorrow. That erodes away, some afternoon sun. Your Thursday highs then look like that, quite warm across the region. As we get out into Friday, there's the next system moving our way very, very slowly. Now, as this front moves in, it's possible we might have a couple showers try to pop up Friday. I'm not totally sold on that scenario, but it is a possibility. For the time being, though, I'm going to stick with a warm weather scenario for Friday. And then again, this is just a slow-moving system. I'll show you this in detail in just a second. But look at this. This is the upper-level chart here for tonight, this evening. There's your upper-level low over Old Mexico. Still over Texas Friday afternoon. And then it weakens and lifts our way over the weekend. So watch the progress of this. This is today. Tomorrow, only a slight eastward adjustment of the rain and storms. Same deal for Friday. And then eventually, probably Sunday, our best chance of showers and storms. But look at these rain totals. In many of those areas so hard hit, you're talking an additional maybe 8 to 12 inches of rain in parts of East Texas, Louisiana, up into Arkansas. Really, really rough stuff. That's some big-time flooding problems occurring back that way. So here's what's driving all this. You go in the upper levels, 500 millibars, and there's your upper level low. This is even out at Thursday evening. It's still parked over the same basic area. This is the European model. By Saturday early afternoon, the trough is lifting out and weakening, and that's eventually here by Sunday going to swing through. And so I think Sunday is a day that features some scattered showers and storms. And notice this little piece of energy on the back side. There it comes. That'll swing in Monday. So I'll maintain the chances on Monday for scattered showers and storms. 0-0 run of the GFS, fairly similar. This is Saturday evening as that first piece of energy is approaching. There's the one on the back side that then gets here for Monday. So let me step you through a few of the models, then I'll show you some long-range ideas. Here's the Canadian model representation. This is this afternoon and this evening's precipitation. Small eastward adjustment tomorrow. There we are Friday, Saturday, and then eventually Sunday across the region. Now here's the GFS. This is the 0-Z run. All right, so this is today, the afternoon and the evening hours. There's your axis of heavy rain. Tomorrow, a very slight eastward adjustment there. Here we are on Friday, And as that front moves in from the north, the GFS wants to give us some chances of a few showers out there. I'm not totally bought into that scenario just yet. We'll see. I have improved the Saturday forecast. I've basically removed significant rain chances from Saturday and put them all towards Sunday. There's Sunday on the GFS, and even that's not a washout. We're talking scattered showers and storms. And then as the next pieces of energy approaches, it's mainly Monday evening on the GFS, a little quicker on the European. So basically for Sunday and for Monday, I'm going to mention the chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. And then behind that system, check this out. This is the look over the entire eastern part of the country. Big low pressure up in Minnesota. This is Wednesday of next week, the 16th. It's a lot of southerly flow, and then there's a peek at your continental United States high temperatures, and look at all the warm air in place as we get into the middle part of next week. In fact, I think we could make a run up toward 80 or so in many Carolina spots again, if not Tuesday, then by Wednesday. A couple more things to show you. Here's the European solution. This is today, 24 hours later, tomorrow. There's Friday. Here comes Saturday on the Europeans, and again, notice it's dry. And then there you go, scattered showers and a couple thunderstorms Sunday, and then again Monday, scattered showers and a couple of thunderstorms. And I showed you this on the graphic system a moment ago, but there's a close-up view from WeatherBell. And let's see if I can, hang on. See if I can get that resized a little better so you can see some of these pretty high rain values there through parts of Arkansas and Louisiana. So that's the period ending at beginning yesterday evening through the event. Could see over a foot of rain, combining what occurred last night with what's to come over the next few days. Now, before I wrap up the video, some long-range thoughts. This is the Canadian ensembles, and there's your huge ridge over the eastern part of the country to wrap up this week. But watch what happens here as you get out into the longer range. As we get out toward the end of next week, say Thursday or Friday, you see a big ridge going up along the west coast. And here's the response temperature-wise. First of all, there's the very, very warm pattern. These are 5,000-foot temperature deviation from average, so 850 millibar temperature relative to average. Very, very warm in a lot of the country to wrap up this week. But that ridge goes up, and by the weekend, let's see, this is Palm Sunday, kind of chilly over a lot of the plains, and that chilly air works gradually eastward as we go through Easter week. Say Monday, Tuesday or so, you see that chillier air moving eastward. We'll see how cold it winds up being, but certainly I think the period between Palm Sunday and Easter will be a lot chillier than what we're seeing this week and what we're likely to see for a lot of next week too. But the rest of this weekend, and next week overall still look pretty warm overall. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.